What's up everyone, in this video I'll be teaching you guys on how to make a thumbnail like this. So I'm going to be using these three images to guide you on how to do it. So let's just get started. So first of all, you would be needing to install an application called Paint 3D. I have given you the instructions and the download link in the description box. There is new, open and paste. You gotta put in open. Because you want a background behind your thumbnail, right? So put in open and select the background you want. I'm gonna select Minecraft because PewDiePie likes Minecraft. Okay, so I'm gonna be getting Minecraft. Okay, so if you want an image which is 1080p or 720p, you can just search it up in Google. But this one is not it's not 1080p or 720p. It's a kind of a irregular size than the normal one, which is perfect for YouTube. So anyway, we have this background. Now we want PewDiePie in this image and we need an outline with some Thug Life glasses. Alright, so you need to go to stickers and you need to press on this folder button and you need to put in add sticker, and you're gonna find all the images. Now let's say but usually PewDiePie can be replaced with your own image because you're making your own title, thumbnail, sorry. So in that case you gotta select the image which you need. So in this case, let's say PewDiePie is making a video and he wants to make himself a thumbnail and he doesn't have any kind of editors or something. He has to make it, right? So let's just bring in this image here. So he has this background. I know it's his favorite background, but we are not going to be using it. We don't need that background, alright, because we need it to fit in this picture and the picture would look kind of ugly and Steve is going to be cut in half. So we don't want all that. Okay, so in that case what you have to do is put in magic select. Now this is basically like the magic wand used in paint.net. So you just gotta do this. You could also do now there's also chair behind him. We don't want that chair, so we're gonna be doing all that. Okay, so put in next, and now we can see that his shirt is aligned, but we don't want this seat. Now let's say even if something is not aligned, then in that case you need to, since the pencil is there, you need to just scribble on the part which you wanna add. Shit, not his armpit. Okay, so anyway, you just want to scribble the part which you don't want to be there. But in my case, I don't want the I don't want a star, so I'm just gonna scribble this part and now it's gone. Okay, just scribble that part and boom, it's gone. So we're gonna scribble all these parts of which we don't want, and that must be pretty good. Yep, that's it. So let's just do a little bit more changes and boom. So we can see that his face is aligned, so put in done and it's gonna come on a picture, which is crazy, right? That is kind of awesome. So you can also flip the images, you can rotate it, which is nice as well. You can flip it up like this. Okay, you could also flip it like that. So let's kind of flip it like this, so it kind of looks better to me. So I'm gonna put in okay, so we're just gonna pretty much add some Thug Life glasses right now. You can pick any Thug Life glasses, but make sure the shiny part is a little bit grayish. If it's white, then it's gonna be kind of tough, but you're gonna be fine. So I don't want that part because that's just not nice to use. Okay, so we're gonna put in magic select. I'm just gonna crop the part which I don't want. Boom. Let's just, okay, that must be fine. Alright, so now we have cropped the ones which we need and put in next, and you pretty much have the image and put in done, and the glasses just come out like this. So we're gonna be flipping this up like that because PewDiePie is flipped, so we want the images to be flipped as well. So the Thug Life glasses, you can make it bigger if you want to cover the eyebrows or something, but we're just gonna put it on. Yep, must be nice. Okay, so now let's put in some nice title. Don't clickbait. Okay, so just kidding. I mean, I've never clickbaited a single time. But anyway, let's put in some kind of boasting. Oh shit, wait a second, we do not want that. Okay, anyway, it's saved in a stickers, so it's kind of simple, but once you finish the project it's just automatically gone. So remember that and kind of be safe while you're making these images. So you can also use paint 3D to make 2D and 3D images. So yep. Okay, so let's just get back and fit this perfectly, and boom, that's nice. Okay, so now we want an outlining out of his kind of image. So first let's put a title. All right, we're gonna put in, okay, text, and we're gonna put in something like, I defeated Ender Dragon in Minecraft. Yep, must be fine. So we're gonna be just gonna changing the font. Let's put in something like Rabi. Oh shit, never mind. Okay, we're gonna put that to Rabi. Okay, that kind of increases the space. Let's put something in which the viewers don't kind of get too annoyed. Okay, that must be nice. Okay, so we're gonna put that in, and you know, we don't want the exclamation marks like so much. That must be fine. All right, so now you can just change it, and you want to make it bolder or not depending on what do you want. So we're gonna put in red because PewDiePie likes red, so must be fine, right? You could also rotate it and stuff if you want it to look better. Must be nice. Okay, so this is a similar image which I created, but you know, it is like the outline is red, so instead we're gonna make the outline a blue or something. I don't know, PewDiePie likes red and black as his background, but we're doing this for the sake of the video. So you gotta just start making these kind of outlines. So just kind of use them nicely and choose the color. You can just choose in something like blue, so I'm gonna select that, and if I click on this I'll get another one which I can just accordingly just use them. And we're just gonna do some quick stuff here. So yep, that's how it is gonna look after you make a thumbnail like this. You can add some extra props to your creation. So anyway guys, I hope you guys liked watching this video. I'm so damn tired right now. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. See y'all.